Welcome! In this tutorial, let's explore the Learn section in the Extramarks the Learning app. On the home page, click on Learn tab located at the bottom. Using the filter function, you can explore specific content by selecting the subject, subsubject, and chapter. Now, to access the content, simply click on it. You can bookmark the important study content by clicking on this icon. You can also download the content for your quick reference by clicking on the download icon. On the Learn tab, you can also explore high-rated content, recorded lectures, trending concepts that are highly viewed by other students, and top priority content to enhance your learning. Under My Bookmarks, you can access your bookmarked videos anytime by simply clicking on Bookmarked Videos. It's time for you to go ahead and explore the app. Happy learning!